how to buy Dshib DNA Shiba token. Now, so before we start, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, do your own research. Now this is their X account. Now how to buy this token? Now after that, we need to go to the Radium. Now after you click on it, now you need to connect your wallet. Now click on connect wallet, and now we'll select Phantom, and now click on connect. Now if you want to trade it here or go to Phantom, I will go to Phantom wallet. Now we'll go to swap. Now make sure you have enough Solana, and from here now we need to search for our DNA Shiba token. Now click on it. Now here enter how much you want to buy by using Solana. This is how much you will receive, and this is the provider Jupiter. Now from here, if you are able or you are ready to go, now click on swap, and now you are be able to buy this token on your Phantom wallet. So what is DNA or this token? So this token, as you can see, it's the new listing, and DNA Shiba is a meme coin project that combines the adorable charm of Shiba Inu with the groundbreaking science of DNA. So their mission is to create a community-driven project that celebrates the beauty of life and the potential of genetic research. So this is how to buy DNA Shiba token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.